Think your business is in the clear once you repay a loan? Nearly 40% of satisfied debts still have a UCC filing hanging over them, quietly sabotaging access to new loans and lines of credit. So how do you actually remove a UCC filing once your debt is paid? What exactly is a UCC filing, and why does it matter so much for business owners? A UCC-1 filing is basically a public claim by a lender on your business assets, sort of like putting a sticky note on your office door that says collateral inside. Even after you settle your debt, this sticky note can linger, making it look like your business still has outstanding obligations to potential lenders. Why do these filings stick around when they should disappear? Many lenders simply forget to remove the UCC filing after you pay off your loan, and that oversight can haunt your business credit report for years. Imagine finally paying off your car, but the DMV never updates their records, so you can't sell or insure it. That's the headache a lingering UCC filing brings. How can you spot if you have an old UCC filing still attached to your business? Start by checking your business credit reports and searching your state's Secretary of State website under your company's name. If you see a UCC-1 filing that matches a debt you've already paid, it's time to act. What's the fastest and cleanest way to clear a UCC filing? Ask your lender to terminate the lien as soon as you pay off your debt. Request that they file a UCC-3 termination statement with your state's filing office. This is the legal document that wipes away the lender's claim, a bit like getting an official receipt that says paid in full and released. What if your lender drags their feet or simply forgets? Send them a termination demand letter, sometimes called an authenticated demand. This is a formal request that forces the lender's hand. Once received, the lender has 20 days to remove the UCC filing or send you the termination statement so you can file it yourself. Can you remove a UCC filing on your own if the lender doesn't cooperate? Yes, if you've fully satisfied the debt, you can file a UCC-3 termination statement yourself, but you must swear under oath that the debt is truly paid off and there's no more obligation. This option gives you a backup plan if your lender goes AWOL. How long do these filings stick around if you do nothing? By law, a UCC filing usually lapses after 5 years, but some business credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet might keep a closed UCC filing on record for up to 11 years unless you request removal. That's more than a decade of unnecessary baggage on your credit profile. What about mistakes or errors in filings? If you spot inaccuracies, dispute them with the Secretary of State and the credit bureau immediately. Provide proof of payment or settlement to support your case, and keep a paper trail of every communication. Why does this matter for your business's future? Unresolved UCC filings can block new loans, limit your financing options, and drag down your credit score. Clearing them quickly unlocks better terms, more funding, and a cleaner credit slate. Think of it as power washing your business's financial reputation. Because removing a UCC filing can clear the path for new funding opportunities, the next video reveals how you can refinance an SBA 504 loan, unlocking long-term savings and flexibility that most business owners overlook. Don't miss the strategies that could reshape your financial future.